With over 30 medals in the bag, Goan athletes have been displaying sheer determination to bring home gold here at the National Games. Sadly, the Goa beach football team was ousted from the tournament after losing 5-7 to Kerala.
Today we lost the match, but I'll tell you one thing, we have given a good fight. Out of 5 days playing all continuously is not a joke on the beach on that tour. It is a very high intensive game. So we lost by 7-5. Last we had to go on top to equalize, but some decision was against us by the referee. But it is part and parcel of the game. But hats off to the boys. Boys have really played well. The whole tournament.
A lot of decisions went against the Goans in the final.
But see, sometimes you have to be part and parcel of these decisions, and you have to overcome it. But it was not our day. But we lost it. But lost to a good team. But
once again, can we have
I'll give credit to the boys. Our boys really played well.
So आज it is actually a sad moment, but in sports, I think the sporting spirit is more important. आमगे बुरी बरे हेळे आज. We definitely had an expectations of gold out of them. Wholeheartedly, the entire crowd was for them. काल तेमी जे semi-finals घडोवन हाडले, तेजे म्हाका आता कालच आमगे gold medal आमकां मेळ्ळी semi-finalaची. We are happy with the sport. आज whatever it is, the best team has won, but we are happy with the way they have played. Yes, the government has to invest. The government has to make sure that this talent grows. आज मुगे constituency beach soccer जाल्या, beach volleyball जाल्या. हे दोन्ही वस्तू पयली फावटी घडून हाडल्यो आहे मुगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आनी हेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान लक्ष आनी इन्वेस्ट करपाची गरज आसा. वी विल फुल्ली सपोर्ट being the pioneers of these two games, soccer game as well as the volleyball. And first we will start with our Kolva village where we will start inter-ward beach football.
The team which played the best won today. It was a wonderful match. It is a good exhibition for beach soccer in India. We need to just bring it up, and we need to have more championship for beach soccer so that this sport is also grown and we go for the AFC championship also qualifying round.
And you are very happy to see the large turnout for the final and all the matches.
Of course, Goan spectators have come up in large numbers for all the matches in beach. I was there in the football stadium. There were lesser number of spectators compared to the big soccer beach.
So it is an incentive for officials as well as for the players and also for some young talent to take up to the big soccer in a big way.
Of course, we at All India Football Federation are developing beach soccer, and we are insisting that all the coastal area states pick up this sport as their main sport, as Lakshadweep has grown up since last tournament.
I am ready. I have already said to he is very interested, but end of the day you require money, monetary support. If government provide, we can have national beach football in Goa. And 2025, if government giving full backing, we have required almost 10 to 25 crores to host AFC Cup. So we can have a best beach soccer in Goa, in India, if government support. So I can put my all best effort to get it in Goa. But we don't, as everyone knows, GFA doesn't have monetary strong. Local MLA already said, now our Panjim mayor also, he said we can jointly organize beach soccer. So if government, they are the government, if they support, we are ready. I will make sure that we will get Indian soccer here and AFC Cup to be held in 2020.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Nitiksha Gaokar and Sangeeta Oli for GOA365.